Ready to unleash your inner artist and create perfect digital cat drawings in Adobe Photoshop? Let's begin by opening Photoshop and creating a new document. Choose your desired size. A square canvas works. All for illustrations. Start with the brush tool. Select a brush with a soft round edge to set the foundation for our cat's form. Choose a dark color for your sketch and lower the opacity of your brush for a light touch. Now, let's sketch our cat's basic shape. Start with a simple circle for the head, and then add a triangle for the ears. Sketch two more triangles to make the inner ear. Following this, add the body with an oval or a curved shape. Remember, these are guidelines. Keep the sketch free form. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. Now refine the shapes using the brush tool. Adjust the sizes and form to be what you feel is best. Add the basic facial features, eyes, nose and mouth. Adjust the body's form into the drawing to make it look less like a guide. Play around with the form by making it sit or stand, always making sure your sketch is light and easy to edit. Let's bring our cat to life with color. Create a new layer and place below your sketch layer. Choose your base color for your cat, a soft gray or a warm orange or gray. Starting points. Use the paint bucket tool to fill the body. Next, on a new layer, start adding details. Use the brush tool again, this time choosing a slightly darker shade of your base color for shadows. Add shadows under the chin, on the legs, and wherever the light wouldn't hit. For the eyes and nose, select distinct and colorful shades to really make your cat stand out. Almost there. Clean up your sketch layer by lowering the opacity if you want, and add any final details like whiskers or fur texture using the brush tool with custom settings for these details. And finally, add a simple background and maybe some playful highlights for that extra touch of adorableness. And that's it. You've brought your own charming feline creation to life in Photoshop. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, poses, and styles. Happy drawing, and enjoy the professional results.